Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be cooking some Jamaican curry goat, but I'll be using the pressure cooker. The reason why I'm using the pressure cooker, when using your pressure cooker, it helps to lower the lectins in your food. So go ahead and get yourself a pressure cooker so you can lower your lectins in your food. So let's get into the video.
First, I will chop my veggies into cubes and get them ready to be blended with water. Next, we're going to clean the goat with vinegar and water. I already blend my seasoning, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it on the goat. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, I'm gonna use my simple organic curry powder, 1 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna rub everything together. I'm gonna leave it to sit overnight. I already set up my pressure cooker, so I'm gonna get the goat into the pressure cooker, follow with 8 ounces of water, just enough to cover the goat. And I'm gonna pressure it for 45 minutes, and after I'm gonna remove from the pressure cooker and put it in a saucepan and cook for 15 minutes. We're gonna get our veggies ready. So first we're gonna chop the carrot into cubes. Coming up, we're gonna chop our Irish potato into cubes. Next, our sweet pepper. Then our onion, and last but not the least, the Scotch Bonnet pepper. And we're gonna put all these vegetables in the goat and let it simmer for 15 minutes tops, or until the meat is tender. So guys, thanks for watching. That's how I do my curry goat the healthiest way. That's the finished look. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel.